हमारी आज की डिश है कड़ी। आप कहेंगे कड़ी की क्या खास बात है, ये तो हर घर में बनती है। तब मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो नॉर्मल कड़ी घरों में बनती है उसकी पर सर्विंग में 600 कैलोरीज होती हैं। That is per head that we eat in one serving. Now what I am going to show you is a healthier curry, which is aroma is excellent, taste is very nice, it looks very beautiful, and also the calories are reduced from 600 per serving to less than 200. It's about 180. So hello and welcome to Adarsh's kitchen, and let's make healthier, tastier and more nutritious curry. So curry बनाने के लिए we need two things. One is the curry, the gravy, and the second part is making the pakoras. So first we will start with the making curry. And curry बनाने के लिए there are three parts. Number one, we will make curry masala. Number two, we will blend all the ingredients together and then cook the curry. So the spices that we have here, this is a special curry masala. We have half a teaspoon of methre, that is methi seeds, ajwain, jeera, sabut kali mirch and sabut dhania seeds. All of them are half teaspoon each, and we will coarsely grind them. And now let's mix the ingredients together in the blender. So blender में अब तीन चीजें जाएंगी. This is 1.5 cup yogurt. ये दही थोड़ी सी खट्टी होनी चाहिए, otherwise we will have to add some lemon. 6 spoons of besan, teaspoons, and 2 cups of water. Total we have to add 4 cups, but to mix it we are adding 2 cups at the moment. When we are cooking we will add 2 more cups. So 3 ingredients: yogurt, besan and pani. So now we begin making the curry. 1 spoon olive oil, finely cut half onion, 1 teaspoon green chilies for the flavor, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 2 red dry chilies, our curry masala, the special masala that we prepared, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt according to the taste. Saute for 1 minute. So to this we add the blender contents, that is the yogurt, besan and water. 2 more cups of water. So we wait for this to come to a boil and simmer under medium heat. This will take around 20 minutes. So our curry is almost ready and it looks really shiny and creamy. And remember, we have hardly added any oil to this. And this is the time when we need to taste it, so that if there is any spice less, we can add it now. My spices are good. If your dahi is not khatta enough, this is the time to add lemon juice. So I will add a little bit of lemon juice now. So we are doing everything, every step. We are not missing out on any step to cut the calories. But the process is such that it turns out to be much more nutritious. Yogurt is supposed to be very nutritious. It's a good source of protein, but it has 0 fiber. So when we add besan and we add vegetables to the besan for the pakoda, we are really enhancing its nutrition. Especially for vegetarians, it is a good source of protein. So now for the pakoda batter. Number 1 we need is
besan, that is 1 cup. We'll add salt, about half teaspoon according to taste. Very little pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder, anardana, that makes it very delicious. 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon finely cut green chilies and red chilies, 2 teaspoons onion, small cut. I'm going to put methi leaves and palak leaves because I have both of them. This is to increase the fiber content of the curry. That makes it more nutritious. I will now add half a teaspoon of desi ghee so that the pakoras are soft from inside. To this now I will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a teaspoon of hing. So to this now I will add water. It's a warm water and I will give it a mix. So the only thing that is left to add is the soda. That we will add about 3/4 of a teaspoon, and that will be just before cooking them. This has to be mixed well and kept aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we will make our pakoras for the curry in this appa maker. It's called appe maker. I have already greased this mold and I have put a tawa below this so that it gets a very slow heat and they are cooked slowly and get crispy from outside. The pakoras get crispy from outside and they are cooked well from within. So it's been now 20 minutes and I'm now going to add half a teaspoon of soda into the pakoda mixture and mix it well. So this is the consistency that it should be there. It should not be very thin and not very thick. So this should take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. And when we feel the heat is too much, we will close the gas in between as well. So this is a very gradual and slow process. We should not rush it here. We don't want to burn them. So we can see the corners are getting a little brown. So we'll check it out. Turn the side. We can see that it is getting cooked very well. You can see that there are a lot of holes in here, which means it is quite aerated. So this will become more crispy with time. We're just trying to cook it evenly from all sides first. Making crispy is not a problem. You can even put them in an air fryer or the oven at a high temperature to make it crispy from outside. But look at this, it really looks good. You can grease them a bit. So just look at my low-fat pakoras. They look crispy. So we still have a lot of batter. So total pakoras that we can make out of this batter is 24. So according to our batter, the total calories in this batter is about 600. So which means each pakoda calories is 25 calories. Wow! If you compare it with a fried pakoda, that is at least 6 times more. So you can now eat guilt-free pakodas, and because there is a lot of fiber in this, we added coriander leaves, we added garlic, ginger, methi leaves, palak leaves, green chilies, red chilies, onions. It's full of, and even the besan itself, it is full of fiber. So which means that if you are prone to high blood sugar or if you have diabetes, this will not bring your sugar high. Oh, these are absolutely ready and the aroma is divine. Wow, they really are very well cooked because I can really smell nice aroma. So now we take these out and put the next batch. You can make as many as you need at the moment and keep it in the refrigerator to have more pakoras with your chai in the evening. Because these are really light. So our pakoras are out of the appa maker and just look at this. So well cooked from inside. So now we will add this to the curry and prepare for the second tadka. So for the second tadka, I'm going to add 1 spoon of desi ghee. It's optional, it's up to you. You want to add half a spoon, even that's okay. To this, I will add curry leaves, half a teaspoon red chili powder, few grains of cumin, and that's it. I will take half a teaspoon of kasturi methi, rub it in my hands and sprinkle on top. And voila, our curry pakoda, healthier and tastier, is ready for taste. So it's time to taste. And this is a classical example of eating good food and losing weight.
Well, I don't know about losing weight, but it looks very delicious. And curry is, I really like curry, and it's been a while. Let me just taste the curry by itself before I mix it with rice. Delicious curry. Very nice spices, very nice taste. And I need to taste the pakoda. This pakoda is much better than any fried pakoda.
Actually,
It's really much better than frying and having pakoda. I mean, of course it's healthier, but it's tastier also. Guys, this is a dish you should try. It's so simple to make and it is so nice.
so one announcement. This is our last video of
Of the first season, yes.
and we come back soon, early next year.
With a new season, new format, and lots of new recipes.
And meanwhile, please like and subscribe.
And stay healthy, stay safe.
Stay in touch.